Hey everyone, what's good? I decided that I'm really excited about my inevitable return to China, and you know what, I need to start packing. I have a lot of sneakers and a lot of designer fashion I need to take along, so I said, you know what, I gotta see what I can fit into my luggages. I have two full-size luggage, a backpack, and a carry-on, and I went ahead and jammed a bunch of stuff into it, and I'm about to show you guys, so let's go have a look at what I'm able to take with me when I return to China. Hey everyone, what's good? I hope the volume is really good. I'm kind of far away, but this is my video to show everyone the sneakers I picked up that I'm going to bring back to China. Well, most of them. This year what I picked up was back in Canada, obviously all authentic, some resale, some from the source. Yeah, this is the collection I got. Now, I mean, I did get a bunch of Under Armour and other athletic sneakers, but I'm not bringing those because I'm bringing more of fashionably aesthetic stuff. I'm not bringing my workout stuff. I'll just accumulate more of that while I'm over there, and I'll try other brands. I'm so excited to get back to trying like Anta and Li Ning and all those other Chinese brands. But for now, let's look at this collection and see how it fits into the bag. Obviously, I'm not going to bring any of the boxes with me. We're not doing that. I'm going to fold them up and store them someplace in my family's house probably. But yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, let's start off. So first one, Air Max 1 Tree Line. Grab this one. I got it because it's, you know, like a Nike SB Dunk skunk colorway, kind of like a cannabis colorway. I really like it. I'm not bringing it with me. It's going to remind me too much of the good times I have smoking up here. So over there I'm sober. It's going to be different. So next, Air Max more up tempos. Let me come a little closer with some of these. Got this back from my buddy. This was the US only release back in, let's see the date on it. I think 2010. Production is around then. So yeah, US only. I got them from eBay Canada. I got them from footlocker.com, not Foot Locker Canada. I paid the tax and duties on these things. Not many people had that. So yeah, we're bringing these with me. Let's put them down here. Uh-oh, it's already looking a little close. That's just one pair. Next, obviously got to bring these with me to China. Street Hawkers. Sorry about the lighting. I only have one light on this side. The Street Hawker SB Dunk. Really great pair. Gotta go a little fast on this because my battery is actually dying. Now you need comfort, right? So we're gonna go for pairs of Ultra Boost. You got the nice Kicks pair. I like this because I always like the Ultra Boost. I never liked the NMD, but I love the colorway they did on it, so had to do that. And then we got the white on whites. We're going to put the white on whites in last because it's a pair that if it doesn't fit, we don't necessarily need to bring it along. Not going to do the best in, you know, Guangzhou weather. Next, just got these recently. They do need a re-glue before I head over to China. Shout out Kanoski, one of the greatest Toronto refurbishers and sneaker guys there is. So yeah, beautiful pair. eBay Canada, steel. Let's put that in here next to this. Put this box aside. Okay, next for sure we're going to bring this pair. Always need a good pair of Vans with me. So the Pro model's got the extra padding. If you want to see all reviews on a lot of this stuff, you can check my other channel. I'll link it in the description. But I do a lot of reviews of Under Armour sneakers and these sneakers I picked up in Canada. So if you want to keep in touch, head to there. Now this probably my shoe of the year for sure. This box is a little heavy and already ripped, so I'm just going to leave it over there. Here's my Nike SB Dunk Jordan 4. These things are fire. Put those in there. Now that's the problem. I'm going to start running out of space to stack this stuff. Next, Air Max 1 Pata. We really got me back into liking Air Max 1s. Put this over on that side. Then we gotta go with some Yeezys next, alright? Definitely bringing these back. Wave Runners, so comfortable, amazing pair. Next little bit of fire. Pirate Blacks. I was so happy when they re-released all of these. Really reminds me because literally as I was first moving to China, that's when this stuff came out. Like I got the moon rocks, I busted up my moon rocks, my original pair of moon rocks are still in there. These are the turtle doves. So already it's looking pretty good, and there's only a few pairs left. We're gonna consolidate this and come right back. Alright, so I did pretty good. I got almost everything. I'm not also taking my Mesa Margielas with me. I don't feel like I deserve to wear these beautiful things right now. Therefore, when I'm living luxurious, I gotta get back to China and get things in order. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave these here until I come back and visit. So that's it. I gotta find a way to get these New Balance in. That's the one thing I need to figure out. We're gonna try closing it up soon and see how it folds out, but yeah, that's an issue. And then these, I'm probably gonna let these go. I like them, but I don't see how often I'm actually gonna wear them compared to like my other stuff. So I don't know. I gotta rethink things. We'll see how the clothing turns out and go from there. Anyways, let's go have a look at the suitcase. Alright, so that's the suitcase. You can see it's all packed up. The last few things you didn't see were the acronym blazers and my Gucci's and, you know, those Skepta Air Maxes. So I'm going to try to close it up and see how it looks. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the luggage I packed. You know, let's twist this around. Okay. Dive right down. There you go. That's the luggage. I got some video games. You know, new fresh pack of socks. Always need more socks. It's kind of packed in there. And if you look up a bit over here, that's where I have my luggage. I decided I'm going to wear the Wave Runners since they're a little more bulky. And then that's the luggage full of sneakers. Then you got the backpack with all my important like electronics, camera gear and stuff like that. Got my carry-on with, I put the turtle doves in there and a bunch of my designer clothing. But yeah, that's it. That's me pretty much packing for China, even though still a little while away. You know what? I just started to do it now, so I'll be walking around my house like a bum. I mean, I got a few Supreme shirts and stuff left out, but mainly just like Under Armour sweats, lounging stuff. I'm not going to go out a lot, especially since it's kind of cold, wet and miserable here in Toronto, Canada. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you're as excited as I am for the return of the videos. Got a lot of positive comments from most of you guys, and caught for words right now. But yeah, guys, until I see you next time, who knows? Take it easy.